Some of the Flagstaff Classics. Under the sink, but they give you a little bit of a storage area, so that's nice. And then you can have access from the outside. It must be your front kitchen. This is a 826 MBR. 826 MBR. 826 MBR. So, ooh, that's a big bathroom. I know that. Let's check this out. It looks interesting. $826 MBR. They have a little bathroom. They have a little refrigerator, ladder, place you can put a camera, a little storage right there, and they do have a bumper for your slinky. And they have pretty good stabilizers. They look good. Dual axle. They have 3-step, solid step with the new railings. All right. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, I like it. Yes, it's kind of a little bit like the one I saw before, but let me check it out. Just let you get a view real quick. I'm not sure of the wood, but the nice lights there. All these sofas and all these Flagstaff are pretty much the same. They have 2 styles. This one is the wider one. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah. Wardrobe, or you can use it as a pantry. Do we have a pantry over here? No. So you can use that as a I would use it as a pantry myself. A little cubby there. Your solar power controller and your little VRV thingy. And then you head to the kitchen and you have a little breakfast bar, which I love. That's why I love that. I love it, love it. It does not have a fireplace, but you can put something right here that looks like a fireplace. It's just a stands on the countertop right there. To see if they have the plug right there. The last one that looked like this didn't have a plug. I don't see one. Oh, yeah, that's one right there. The other one probably had one too. Look at all that counter space. Or you can do like a buffet stuff. Look at that. Wait a minute, I'm in a high speed. This is a classic. That's a Furion. That's a Magic Chef, but it's a better microwave. At least it looks like a better microwave. It looks like what I have at home, like Samsung. All right, my Shelly just called me, and she got out of surgery. She's heading home now. Everything was good. She just has a patch over her eye, and I got to take her for a follow-up tomorrow at 10:30. So I won't be at the RV show tomorrow. I will be in Hershey, but I'm not going to be at the Hershey RV show. And I'll probably be back on Thursday. So this is one of the seats right here. This is your view, and there's your TV right there. Bathroom, and then the other seat over here. I like it. So far, so good. I like the backsplash. Backsplash is nice. Yeah, I was right here looking at this. That's nice. Very nice. So it's like that other one, but this one's more high speed. You got trash right there, and you can take it right out. I like that. This one can go straight out too, all that storage. Nice. 3 doors. Ooh, nice. Doesn't have any of that soft clothes or nothing, but I don't really need that. outlet right there. Look at all that counter space. So you got an outlet there, which I'm not a big fan of. I wish there was one over here somewhere. But they do have one right there on the wall. And then they have these right here. Goes all the way through. They have the magnets right here. So it's very nice to open. They have some more storage up here. A window, which is nice, to the front side. Windshield. And then this, it isn't a high speed type RV, but refrigerator that is. But what else do you want? I don't know. I don't want a residential. This is big enough right here. Look at all that. And they got a drawer down here. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, that's a nice drawer. Very nice. And I like that couch. Moseberg collection. Can't go wrong. And storage there. Okay. And you have an outlet there, and I think there's an outlet in the back because this has to plug into something. So there has to be an outlet in the back. And then you have this nice window that goes to the back side. And then you can see, well, at least to the other slide. Yeah, you can see out, but only to the other slide. Flush mount dimmable lighting. Let's check those out. Nice. Looks like that's a speaker. And max fan. Nice. And a pocket door or a sliding door to go into the. Ooh, that looks like a king size. Yeah, that's a king size. Oh, you have a shelf right there to put stuff right there, and then a little mini thing to put your phone. You have an outlet, nice. Reading lights, and then a lot of storage over there. And then you could probably lift this up. All that storage too. And look at those big drawers. So you got plenty of room to put stuff. There's your fuses. You might not be able to get to your fuse when it slides in. So that's a bad design right there. And the reason for that is if your fuse trips, you can't go in to fix it to put your slide out. All these doors are the same. And then you have this nice little washer, dryer, pro, nice outlet. And that's where you have to drill a hole for your vent. That's all your connections. You got to buy one of those combo ones. If you want it, but when you get it, it takes away your hanging. And then you have some stuff down here. Nice. Air conditioning popped in. And then your bathroom is huge. Look at that. Nice. That countertop is real nice. And then I guess that's for your max air fan right there. Not sure why you need a remote control. Short people maybe? You have power there, and they have a tower of power over there. And then you have these. Oh, this is nice. Look at how deep. That's pretty deep. Yeah. This. And a nice window to the rear. Let me get this right here. Oh, it's very deep. Look how deep that is. That's nice. You can put stuff that you pretty much don't need all the way to the back, but when you need it, you have it. Now you get your toilet. Porcelain, of course. And then you have all this. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. And then these have. Oh, this is short, but you can still put stuff on there. And then hopefully, oh, that is like a panel or something. Yeah, it was screwed in right there. You unscrew it right there. But one screw and it's open. That's a good idea. I like that. It's not open where kids can get in it and mess around. I like that a lot. Look at this stuff. Look at that. It's nice. And that shower, it looks like it's pretty tall. Huh. Ooh, you can sit down on this one. I like the shower. Shower miser. It's not one of those cheapy ones. And that's one of those 3 glass door sliders. Nice. This is the one I would get if I can tow 30 feet. I think it's 30. I'll put it up on there. I probably already did. I forget how long it is. I like this one. Very nice. Got some fancy stuff like the stove, oven, and the cooktop there is very fancy. And the microwave is fancy. And that's, I think, a 40-inch TV. Doesn't say. Counter space galore. And I love this bar thing. I really do. Yeah, this would be the one for me, I think. And Shelly. I think Shelly definitely likes it. That's all you need. Now, I'm not going to use a wash and dry. If I want to clean something, I'll clean it right here in this sink. Like I did when I went to Berlin and Paris because they lost my luggage. And I had to clean everything and then I rinsed it out and I hung it up. So if you run out of clothes, no big deal, just hang it up. But no fireplace. But like I said before, you can put a fireplace right here, like a standing fireplace. Even has flames on it, they sell them. And you plug it in over there. Or if you're handy, you can drill it right, a hole right here, a hole right here where the desk, like a desk. You can put the wire through and plug it in there. If you're fancy that way, or should I say not fancy, handy that way. Look at that splash, the backsplash. Nice. This is really nice. I love it. I like it. It says 86-inch ceiling height. That's cool. I'm 72, so yeah. Oh my god, this is really nice. Let's keep this one on. Let's see how long it is. 29.11, so a little less than 30. Too long for me. Cool. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.